Hi, thanks for joining us at Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Today what I'm going to be showing you is how to make chocolate ganache. This chocolate ganache is with dark chocolate. The ratios are different with dark milk and white chocolate. In the bowl I have measured 600 grams of dark chocolate. You'll also need 300 ml of double cream and a spatula to mix. What you do is you measure your dark chocolate into your bowl, so that's 600 grams dark chocolate. Pour your cold double cream, which is 300 ml, into the bowl. This bowl then goes into the microwave for a minute at each interval. It usually takes about 3 minutes. So we're going for a minute. I'll then take it out and show you what it looks like. As it comes out after each minute, you give it a good mix with the spatula. So this is what it will look like once it comes out of the microwave after a minute. Get your spatula and just give it a good mix. It will look like it hasn't really done much, but if you give it a mix, you'll see it is actually starting to melt. Just give it a few stirs. So this will go back into the microwave for a minute, and I'll show you what it looks like after its second minute. After its second minute, this is what it will look like. Give that a good stir. Ganache is great for layering your cakes with. Also crumb coating, it's absolutely delicious too. You'll see it still has some lumps in it, so it will need another minute. It depends on your microwave as well. I find it easier to be done in the microwave than on the hob. So this will go in for another minute, and then I'll show you what it looks like once that's done. So after its final third minute, this is what it will look like. As you're stirring it, you'll feel it slightly starting to thicken. It smells divine right now. Once this is left overnight, it will be a lot thicker. So if you need to pop it back in the microwave for 30 seconds, that's fine. Just pop it back in the microwave and then give it a mix. It will also be thick enough to pipe on cupcakes. And that's your ganache all ready. Just keep giving it a good mix to thicken it up and make sure all the bits and the grains of chocolate have melted. And now just leave this to set for a few hours. Best to leave it overnight, and then it'll be fabulous to use. The better quality chocolate you use, the better your ganache. But this can be done with dark chocolate, milk chocolate and white chocolate. I hope you guys do try making your own ganache, and I hope it does work. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share. Thanks again for joining us at Sal's Cakes and Bakes. See you soon. Hi, thanks for joining us on Sal's Cakes and Bakes. Today what I'm going to be showing you is how to be creating a grass effect on a fondant or sugar paste cake.